Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today a very important update video because I was excited to see yesterday that Flying Upload, which is the software that I use to upload my designs to various websites, as you can see here, they now offer another print-on-demand website for their tool. So you can upload to one more additional marketplace, which is exciting because, you pay your monthly subscription fee, and the more marketplaces they offer, the better chances you have to sell because you can spread your designs onto various different platforms. And the more platforms you're on, the better your chances of selling, and the better the chances, or basically the less cost you could say is for you per design, because, well, you do have definitely a cost, which is the monthly subscription fee for the upload tool. But then the more sales you make, the less impact this cost will have. So, and it's obviously not additional work because, it's just another click of a button and you can just upload to this website. So the website I'm talking about is Tostadora.com. I don't know if you know this website, don't know if you've ever heard of it. I haven't actually. Apparently it's the biggest print-on-demand website in Spain. Spain generally is not a small marketplace or market, which is why probably Amazon also have a separate Spanish marketplace. And again, I've never heard of it, but Tostadora, they do have various marketplaces. Actually, it's not only the Spanish one, they also have a US marketplace, they have a UK marketplace, and we need to have a look. I'm gonna show you the website. So let's have a look at the website quickly. So this is Tostadora.com. Again, I didn't know it. I'm currently on the UK marketplace, but it seems to be a website which gets a bit of organic traffic. So for example, Shirty, they don't really get, I think, organic traffic. With Shirty, for example, you have to actively promote your shirts. I don't do that, and I still had some sales. So you still get some sales on Shirty without promoting your shirts. But Tostadora, they have an actual marketplace and in your shop. So you have to create a shop. It's very similar to Spreadshirt or Redbubble. On Tostadora, you have to create your own shop. You have to upload a banner, a profile image, and then you can upload your designs. And they have various different products. Again, very similar to Redbubble and Spreadshirt, as you can see here on the left-hand side. They have t-shirts, different types of t-shirts, masks, hoodies, sweaters, kids' clothes, bags, iPhone cases. I don't think they don't have as many products as, for example, Redbubble, but they still have quite a good number of different products. And I've started uploading yesterday. The upload takes a bit of time. Even with the upload tool, I've uploaded overnight and it has uploaded 26 designs. However, those 26 designs, I've maxed out the products either the design is put on. So it's basically 26 multiplied with the number of different products. And this is not bad. The other good thing is, I don't think Tostadora has a daily upload limit. So this is good because if it doesn't have a daily upload limit, you can just keep uploading as much as you want. And I guess it doesn't have an upload limit yet because it has not yet been on any uploader that I know. I think Flying Upload, they are the first guys who actually implemented Tostadora in their automated upload tool. So as you know, there's I think the Lazy Merge I think Lazy Merge is one upload tool. Then you've got, I think, POD Turbo, and then you have the Merge Titans uploader, Merge Titans automation, but nobody offers Tostadora yet. And this makes Flying Upload to the tool with the highest number of different websites. So this is amazing, and it gives you a competitive advantage if you use Flying Upload. And I think if you are early now and you use an upload tool to upload to Tostadora, because many people don't, because it's not on any of the other uploaders available, then you get a competitive advantage. Redbubble, for example, has been on all these upload tools for a long time, which is why there is so much competition and many people just use automated upload tools to upload. But again, on Tostadora, people don't. So they probably only just start with Flying Upload. And it all depends on how many people actually use Flying Upload and then also upload to this website. So that's why I just want to show you that this website now exists. And the good thing on them, I'm not sure if Spreadshirt and Redbubble offer that, but you can get actually your product, if you buy from this website, you can get your product within 48 hours if you select priority service. And I think this is very good, especially around Christmas, where, for example, the cutoff date for Spreadshirt and Redbubble is quite early. But I imagine with Tostadora, if you can order sort of express or priority delivery, you can still probably order throughout most of December for Christmas. So that is another advantage. Now, you can obviously buy stuff here, but you can also, if you look on selling here, they tell you that, what the advantages of this website is. You can set your royalties as you want. So you decide how much you want to earn per sale. You have your own online store, but you can click on a box, which then makes all of your designs immediately accessible on the marketplace as well in the search results. So unlike TeePublic, for example, or Threadless, where your designs are not on the marketplace straight away, here they are, which is really what I like. And also, as they say, they have an international marketplace. So I think your designs are automatically translated into 4 different languages. And they use also 3 currencies, which is the euro, the US dollar, and British pounds. They say 750,000 registered customers. And they also offer customer service in 4 languages. Apparently, they've got more than 55,000 artists registered. They have over 1 million items for sale. And yeah, I think this is pretty much what I want to talk about today. I'm very excited about this. I upload my designs now onto another website, which doesn't actually seem to have a daily upload limit. The only thing I've heard is that because you have to open a shop can be full. But nobody really has figured out yet what that means if a shop is full and how many designs there can be. But that is not a problem, because apparently you are allowed to, with one account, you can open separate stores. So you can see that here. There's an FAQ. Can I open more than one store? And they say, yes, you can open as many stores as you want. For example, you may have several stores with different themes, and this is completely free on Tostadora. So that is good. And I guess they allow you to do that because there's currently, nobody's using an upload tool yet. But now obviously they are on Flying Upload. So it might mean they will have to restrict this in the future because people just keep uploading. But that is good at the moment for everybody who's using an upload tool. So yeah, I'm very excited. Even if you don't use an upload tool, you might not have known this website before. Apparently it has some organic traffic. It's still a small website, but it's, for example, bigger than Shirty, but it's smaller than Fine Art America or Society 6. But that's not necessarily a bad thing, because most of my sales on Spreadshirt. And Spreadshirt, for example, is smaller than Fine Art America, but I hardly make any sales on Fine Art America. So the website, the size isn't necessarily too important, because the more people you have, the more customers you have, generally the more sellers you have as well. And potentially if you have a smaller website, less competition, you might have a better chance to make sales. So let me know what you think. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye.